So over a year ago, we came out with an adjustable rear toe link for your Ford Explorer. But thanks to Facebook groups like High Performance Explorer ST, people like Richard let us know that there's a market for a non-adjustable version. So that's exactly what we did. Scott Boda here with Steeda Autosports to talk to you about our 2020 Ford Explorer non-adjustable chromoly toe links. Now, the toe links was a failure point on some of the older Explorers. So about a year ago, we came out with an adjustable version. Well, it didn't happen until one day, surfing around on High Performance Explorer ST on Facebook, that I realized that there was a market for non-adjustable toe links. Let's face it, the Explorer allows for toe link adjustment through the cam bolt in the rear suspension. So why not develop a non-adjustable version that's going to cost less and not break the bank? So why do you need toe links? Well, the toe link is actually going to help prevent some of the wheel hop in the rear of these vehicles, especially when you start adding cold air kits, tunes, high flowing exhaust, things like that. So what we did was we started off with 4140 chromoly steel, 1.25 inches in diameter, and we TIG welded it together using the existing U bracket out of our adjustable toe link. We then tried several different bushing combinations. We settled on the 90 durometer because with that rear subframe and the factory urethane bushings, not only does it provide less deflection, but it does not increase the NVH at all, and it's going to be able to put more power down to the ground each and every time. We powder coat these gray right here in-house, and it's part of our upcoming Steeda Stop the Hot kits. Now, as you see, installation is super simple, and we're going to show you how to do that right now. Here are the tools required for the job. Keep in mind you want to mark the factory toe adjustment on the inboard bolt before loosening or removing it. Then go ahead and remove the bolt from the outside of the factory toe link. Be careful because the toe link is under tension. Then go ahead and loosen up the inside adjusting bolt that you had previously marked. Remove the factory cam bolt. Remove the factory toe link. Before installing the Steeda toe link, you want to make sure that you grease the outer faces of the bushing. Go ahead and put the cam bolt in and snug it down in the exact position you removed it. Go ahead and install the outer bolt and nut. Torque this to spec. Then, once that is torqued to spec, you can now make sure that the factory cam bolt is aligned in the proper position, and you can torque that to spec as well. Once done, repeat on the other side. As you see, installation was pretty straightforward. Now, if you don't think you're able to keep your factory rear toe alignment, go ahead and get a two-wheel alignment just to be on the safe side. Hit like, subscribe, follow us on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Remember the most important thing at the end of the day, Steeda, where speed matters.